Hello there. My bro had this very old shed which was crumbling to pieces, and it's so small he couldn't get a foot in the door. So for a long time he's been wanting to build something. So we finally got around to it. We got the tools out, and we're going to build him something that he can be happy and proud of. And to assist this build, we've contracted an old friend of ours, 90-year-old my dad, sitting over there. Hopefully he's going to give us some tips, but I think the tips he's going to be giving us is probably how to have a few beers and enjoy the weather. Anyway, all said and done, let's do this. Today we're gonna set the pace. So here we go. Okay, you got that done. Now we go ready for the cement. Here we go. See you later. To assist this, we have the supervisor here, 90-year-old my dad, our dad. He's going to be supervising, make sure we do the job properly. He's already dug all that. Now we're just filling the bricks. We're doing the easy work. He's doing the hard work. Can you see that? Yeah. behind me, as you can see, we have one walls pretty much sorted out. It's got all the cladding in it. Two, here's the thing, to get all the cladding all nicely and neatly lined up, you make up one of these. Yeah, set your length, leaving about 1.5 inches underneath each cladding, and you basically you set it like that, nail it down, and then go along and do the other side so that everything is nice and even. So that's the first board up. Now we're going to start on the next one. Here we go. This is our film director, 90-year-old Mr. Fernandez, and this is the stage. There's one of the actors on the left there.
Jeff, where are you? Right there.
Yeah. I just want to thank each and every one of y'all for all you've done to your bodies. It's still real to me, damn it. I mean... Thank you guys. You're awesome. Thank you so much, Mr. Monk, for saying what needed to be said. I don't want to see another one of these. Well, thank you.
Right, designer door coming up.
Where's this space?
Let's go. Okay, well, we were going to buy some more timber to build the doors for the shed, but we had quite a lot of this bits of timber around, so we've improvised. What we did is on the back here we put some strips, so we get the right level here, and it's coming out really nicely, and this gives you a nice strong sturdy door. And here we're going to have some perspex, so give it more light into the shed, and we're happy with that, aren't we, John?
Fit we do.
we have it. One down, one to go. Looking good. There we go, job done. Now we can go off to Italy. And there we have it, one big lovely shed. Sorted. If you enjoyed this vid, give us a thumbs up. If not, thanks for watching.